Hello, you can see a problem that's called error code and which is ending with double OC, and then the product key has been uh, deactivated. I have to do this, though I am using my Microsoft 365, but it has a problem which is called the old version of my Microsoft Office is shown this error. So how to solve this? Just simply close it and then go to the run and then type cmd. So from cmd, click on run as administrator. After clicking there, just simply click on yes, and then you will see this prompt. And after opening command prompt, just copy and paste the instruction that I have given to you so far in the description box. Let's see, I have copied this one and pasted, and then you can see I have entered into the root office 16. All right, next command should be given to that position as well. Well, now you will be able to see what is the actually process that you have followed so far to activate your Microsoft Office, and is it enabled or disabled. Like you can see KMS host caching enabled. It means the problem occurs from the third party or something that you have activated before, but it has no validity so far, and maybe you need to input your new key here. But as I don't have any key because Microsoft Office or Office 365 family gives no key there, just you need to install your Office application from the browser, as you know. So let's see, there is another command. Just copy that one and then paste it here. So if you try to find out, then you will be able to see my 5-digit of key is here. That means 5 characters. Installed product key 6F7T8. So simply copy the command from here and then replace your these 5 characters with mine, and then simply press on enter, and then you will see the change will happen. It will actually delete your present key and it will install the new key that you have already given here. Let's see, let's wait for another few moments, and this will take maybe a minute. Sometimes it takes more than that. All right, you can see it has been installed, like installing product key for Office 21, Office 21 Pro Plus. So these were actually my cracked version. So as I have installed my paid version of Office from Microsoft that I purchased from 365. So now it's okay. And if I open Office again, Microsoft Word, then see if there is any error called that one. So click on get started, as this is my paid version, so there is no error which was before. Thank you so much for watching this video. You got the solution, and if you get it, don't forget to go with me. Thank you.